You're about to buy something: phone, shoes, subscription, course, trip. And you have that feeling, should I actually buy this? I'm giving you a 5-question framework that answers that question in under 8 minutes. Use it for every purchase from $5 to $50,000. After today, you'll never wonder if something is worth it again. Here are the 5 questions that change everything. Question 1. What's the cost per use? Divide the price by how many times you'll actually use it. $1,000 phone used daily for 3 years equals 1,095 uses. That's 91 cents per day. $300 concert ticket for 3 hours? $100 per hour? $50 gym membership you use twice? $25 per visit? $200 shoes worn 300 times over 5 years? 67 cents per wear. Here's the test. If you bought a single-use version each time, what would it cost? That $50 gym membership twice a month? You're paying $25 per workout. A day pass is $15. You're overpaying. That $200 shoes worn almost daily? You're paying 67 cents per wear. Cheap shoes at 10 wears cost you $5 per wear. The expensive shoes win. Wealthy people calculate cost per use, not purchase price. Question 2. What's the opportunity cost? Every dollar you spend can't be invested. What does this purchase cost you in the future? The math. Money invested at 10% doubles every 7 years. $100 today equals $200 in 7 years, $400 in 14 years, $800 in 21 years, $1,745 in 30 years. So that $100 purchase today isn't $100. It's $1,745 to your future self. Is this purchase worth $1,745 in 30 years? Real example, $50 monthly subscription, annual cost $600, 30-year opportunity cost $104,700. That Netflix subscription costs you $104,700 if you invested instead. Now you're thinking, I can never buy anything. Wrong. You're asking, is this worth it to me? $104,700 for 30 years of entertainment? Maybe yes. $104,700 for a gym membership you never use? Definitely no. Every purchase has a future cost. Factor it in. Question 3. What's the time value? Does this purchase save you time? How much is your time worth? Simple math. Take your annual income, divide by 2,080 hours. That's your hourly rate. $50,000 per year equals $24 per hour. $30 meal delivery saves you 1 hour of cooking and shopping. If you earn $24 per hour, is delivery worth it? Maybe. You're paying $30 to save $24 worth of time. You lose $6. If you earn $50 per hour, delivery is a bargain. You pay $30 to save $50 worth of time. You gain $20. But here's the twist. Is that hour spent cooking actually lost? Or is it relaxing, healthy, quality time? Time value isn't just money. It's what else you could do with that time. Calculate time value, but factor in life quality too. Question 4. Does it improve daily life? Not everything is about math. Some purchases genuinely make life better. The test. Will this improve my life every single day? $2,000 mattress? You use it 8 hours daily for 10 years. That's 29,200 hours of better sleep. Cost per hour, 7 cents. Daily life impact, massive. Verdict, worth it. $5 daily coffee you genuinely love and savor. Cost per year, $1,825. Daily life impact, ritual you enjoy. Verdict, may be worth it if you're honest about enjoying it. $500 designer shirt you wear twice a year. Cost per use, $250. Daily life impact, 0. Verdict, not worth it. The key, be honest. Do you genuinely enjoy it, or are you performing for others? If it improves daily life significantly, math matters less. Question 5. Can you undo this? Reversibility matters. Can you cancel, return, or resell if you're wrong? High reversibility equals low risk. Low reversibility equals high risk. Examples. Subscription service. Cancel anytime. Low risk. Try it. $200 shoes from a store with returns. Return within 30 days. Low risk. Try them. $3,000 custom-built item. No returns, no resale value. High risk. think hard. Tattoo, forever, extremely high risk. Think really hard. The more irreversible, the more careful you should be. Minimize irreversible purchases, maximize flexible ones. Let me show you this framework in action. Example 1. Daily $5 coffee. Cost per use, $5 per day, $1,825 per year. Opportunity cost, $318,000 over 30 years invested. Time value saves 5 minutes making coffee at home, costs $5. Your time worth $60 per hour? Daily life. Do you genuinely savor it or is it habit? Reversibility, easy to stop anytime. Verdict, if you genuinely love it and earn well, keep it. If it's habit, cut it. Make coffee at home, invest the $1,825 yearly. Example 2, $1,000 online course. Cost per use, $1,000 for skills you use for 10 years in your career. Opportunity cost, $17,450 in 30 years. Time value, saves hundreds of hours trial and error learning, could increase income daily life, increases earning potential, confidence, reversibility, often 30-day money-back guarantee. Verdict, if it teaches skills that increase income, easily worth it. $1,000 for a $5,000 annual raise pays for itself in 10 weeks. Example 3, $30,000 car, new. Cost per use, $30,000 for daily use over 10 years equals $8.22 per day. Opportunity cost, $523,000 in 30 years invested. Time value, saves time if you need a car, but new versus 3-year-old used. Daily life, transportation is necessary, but does new matter? Reversibility, lose 30% value in year 1, very irreversible. Verdict, buy a 3-year-old used car for $15,000. Same daily benefit, half the cost, $250,000 less opportunity cost. Example 4, $15 lunch delivery daily. Cost per use, $15 per meal, $3,750 per year. Opportunity cost, $653,000 over 30 years. Time value, saves 30 minutes cooking/packing lunch. Time worth $30 per hour? Daily life, convenient but not life-changing, reversibility, can stop anytime. Verdict, meal prep Sunday for the week, save $3,000 plus yearly, invest it. Deliver lunch occasionally as a treat, not daily habit. Here's how to use this. Before any purchase, ask all 5 questions. Takes 5 minutes. Write down answers. If 4 out of 5 answers are positive, buy it. If 3 out of 5 are positive, think harder. If 2 or fewer are positive, don't buy it. This framework works for everything. $5 impulse purchases, $500 gadgets, $5,000 vacations, $50,000 cars. Stop guessing. Start calculating. The difference between wealthy and broke isn't income, it's decision-making. Wealthy people run every purchase through filters. Poor people buy on emotion. You now have the filter. Here's my challenge. Use this framework for your next 10 purchases. Track the results. You'll be shocked how much you save and how much better you feel about what you do buy. What's one purchase you're thinking about right now? Run it through the 5 questions in the comments. Let's see if it's worth it. And if this framework just saved you hundreds or thousands of dollars, hit subscribe because we're breaking down every money decision that builds real wealth. Next video, I tracked every purchase for 30 days and the results shocked me. You'll see exactly where money goes and what's actually worth it. See you there.